Okay, all of you had faced the problem, right? You have the model and you need to insert some part that is standard, like a bolt or a screw or a hex nut. Fusion allows you to do exactly that. Here, I had grabbed this model actually the same way as you can grab any other screw or bolt, and I had drawn this plate to demonstrate you how can you add those bolts and hex nuts. As you can see, I had created this plate with 8.6mm holes for the bolts, but now I face a problem, right? I don't want to create a bolt myself, I just want to have a ready CAD model of the bolt. So I can bolt this plate to this motor and later this plate to something else. And now I will show you exactly how to do it by first clicking here on Insert and scrolling down to Insert Master McMaster. You click on it and you have free online library of CAD models. So let's click on Screw and Bolts and pick the necessary screw and bolt. I like this round one. Here, instead of searching all of them, I will just switch the system to metric and I will find myself an M8 bolt. Great. With length of approximately 15 or maybe even 18mm. Here I can change the types, but it's not necessary for me. Here I like this general M8 stainless steel bolt. So click on it, scroll a bit down, make sure it's selected 3D step so it can be imported. As you can see, you can change the type and click download. It will automatically bring in the bolt here. Now just click OK. And now what we need to do, we need to locate it right there. And I will do it in the assembly part. Here we go. Here we have our assembly tools. Click on this tool. Now scroll down here and select the outer edge here and there. It will automatically co-center it. And as you can see, we had successfully imported the bolts here. Now we can click OK, and now we need to find the nut for this bolt. Now we're moving on to our next step, which is inserting the hex nut for this bolt. So again, click Insert and scroll down. Now click the hex nut. Again, switch the size to one that we need and pick a hex nut out of this selection. I just will use the general one. Scroll down, click on it and download it. Great. Again, click OK. Click this constraint and again select the outer circle or the inner circle. Now scroll over here and insert it there. Now, we do know that in reality there will be some plate here, so we can also change how far away it is. You see, we can move it up or down, and this is awesome. Again, just click OK. And here we go. Now you know how to insert those bolts and nuts.